Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the necklace. In our previous session, we came to know that Matilda and her husband were invited to the party which was about to held in minister's residence. By seeing the invitation card, instead of becoming happy, Matilda became very sad and angry because she did not have proper dress to wear in that party. Her husband tried to comfort her, but seeing her crying, he became upset. Now let's continue the lesson. By a violent effort, she had controlled her vexation and responded in a calm voice, wiping her moist cheeks. Nothing, only I have no dress, and consequently, I cannot go to this affair. Give your card to some colleague whose wife is better fitted out than I. See, by violent effort means hard or strong effort, she had controlled her vexation. Vexation means a state of being worried or frustrated. She controlled herself. She controlled her cry and responded in calm voice. She gave reply to her husband in a calm voice. Wiping her moist cheeks, she wiped her moist cheeks, wet cheeks. They became wet because of tears. She wiped her moist cheeks and said, "Nothing, only I have no dress, and consequently I cannot go to this affair." She said, "I don't have proper dress. Consequently means so or therefore. Therefore, I cannot go to this affair. I cannot go to this party." She said, "I don't have proper dress, so I don't go to this party. Give your card to some colleague whose wife is better fitted out than I." And also she suggested to give that card to his colleague whose wife is better fitted than her, whose wife has good dress and jewelries. Okay. For such colleague, she suggested to give that card. He was grieved but answered, "Let us see, Matilda, how much would a suitable costume cost? Something that would serve for other occasions, something very simple." He was grieved. He became sad. Okay. He became sad or felt sorrow or sad. He felt sad and he said, "Let us see, Matilda, how much would a suitable costume cost?" What is the cost of a suitable dress? Something that would serve for other occasions, something very simple. That costume can be worn in other occasions also, and it should be very simple one. Okay. It should not be costly one. It should be cheap one, and it should be used in other occasions also. For such dress, such costume, what is the cost? He asked his wife. She reflected for some seconds thinking of sum that she could ask for without bringing with it an immediate refusal and a frightened exclamation for a economical clerk. She reflected for some seconds, thinking of sum. Okay, she reflected. Reflected means she thought seriously. Okay, reflected means thought seriously. For some seconds, thinking of sum that she could ask for without bringing with an immediate refusal and a frightened exclamation from economical clerk. She thought for the amount, how much she has to tell. Because her husband should not refuse immediately hearing that amount. Or he should not make frightened exclamation by hearing that amount. That amount should not be much. He should not refuse that, or he should not make frightened exclamation. Because her husband was poor, he was economical clerk. Economical means careful with money so as not to spend too much, or thrifty we can call. He was thinking about how to spend money. It should not be spent too much. So she thought for a moment how much amount she had to tell. Finally, she said in a hesitating voice, I cannot tell exactly, but it seems to me that 400 francs ought to cover it. Later, in a hesitating voice, she said, I cannot tell exactly how much does it cost, but it seems to me that 400 francs ought to cover it. But I think nearly 400 francs are required to purchase such a suitable costume. He turned a little pale, for he had saved just this sum to buy a gun that might be able to join some hunting parties the next summer with some friends who went to shoot larks on Sunday. He turned a little pale. For a moment, he became little weak or feeble. Okay. He saved that much amount in order to buy a gun that he might be able to join some hunting parties in the next summer with some friends who went to shoot lark on Sunday. On Sundays, some of his friends, they were going to kill larks. Larks means a kind of bird. Okay, lark means a kind of bird. They were going to kill lark birds. He wanted to join them the next summer. That's why he wanted to buy a gun. So he saved that much amount. Nevertheless, he answered, very well, I will give you 400 francs, but try to have a pretty dress. Nevertheless, in spite of that, he answered, very well, I will give you 400 francs. He agreed to give 400 francs to his wife. And he said to have a pretty dress. Okay. But try to have a pretty dress. He said her to have a pretty dress, attractive dress. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.